Josh the boss to school. We already ran a little errand this morning, and he's still gonna get there early. I know that sun is bright. It is a Wednesday, hump day. Y'all know this is my late day out, my self-care day, because I could be home and creating, because Josh the boss is in Awanas until late this evening. So we're going through a little school zone, but I'm making myself some breakfast when I get home, so I will catch back up with you guys once we get him off to his education.
It's my school, you mean?
Yes, your school. All right, y'all. It is beautiful out. It's a little bit, it's 48, but it's going to go up to 73. So I will be changing. I just have on my mom wear right now. But all right, girl, I'll talk to y'all later. Say good night, YouTube.
Good night, YouTube. This all day.
Do what all day?
Find my mole all day.
You have until 10 o'clock and the remote goes back in my room.
Seriously, I can hide it from you.
Okay, you'll be sorry. Good night.
Good night.
Hey family, I've been taking a nap, so I'm just picking you guys up. I am going to make some Spanish rice by Rice-A-Roni, because we've had this for a while and I don't want all this stuff to start going bad. So I think I'm going to do 2 boxes, and I'm making some flounder with it as well. I might do some type of vegetable, I'm not sure, but I will bring you guys along. You know, this one-handed thing don't work well for me. Yeah, I'll bring you guys along as making some progress, alright? But yeah, sorry I've been playing hooky with y'all. Hubby picked up Josh, so I didn't. Look at that, y'all. 80 degrees. Y'all see that? 80 in this camp. So I'm charging up. I have my battery here available. My iPad is charging. Here's my pencil. So I'll be putting the vlog together, I think, once I do this meal. So see you soon. Unfortunately, I can't make the rice. You need diced tomatoes. You see that? And I only have stewed. I'm not going to do that. That's going to be a game changer. And I was going to make the fish with the Louisiana fish fry mixed with flour. I normally do half and half. So we got to come up with something else. I'll let you guys know as soon as I figure that thing out. Popping in, guys. I did an Old Faithful throwback. Some fried flounder and some baked beans over rice. And yeah, that was quick. I still have another piece in there, and me and Josh are gonna eat, and then I'll make some fresh ones when Hubs wake up. Alright guys, bon appetit. I love this. This is one of my favorite combinations.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.